Guys, today we're going to be building a build about Buzzy Bee. Let's get to it. Okay, so let's start opening this thing. This build about actually looks pretty cool. We've never done anything like this before. This is like our first time. Here are the pieces, the instructions, stickers and stuff. Here are just this.
Yep, they are very small, so not this is a there's two parts of a head, so you can put them together.
We can name our build first with the certificate.
Ooh, there's a lot of different ones. A blue one. There's a pink one, but that's pretty much for a girl. So
All these are pieces.
oh,
Fail.
yeah. So we will both assemble the body first. Let me get your head.
Oh, so these are supposed to be.
Okay. I think. Yeah, I put the head together.
Are there numbers? No.
We have put some of the ear right here. How would this look? Oh, I think I'm going to start.
They're not good. This building, this manual is not accurate.
This is like real robot building. Like, this is pretty hard.
Are you ready for mechanics in school? This is very confusing.
I don't have a mouth.
Oh, so these aren't even good.
Oh, I think I got it. Yes, I got that.
Got some progress, guys.
I finally figured out how to do this. This was very confusing.
So is that part for the legs?
These are the legs.
And then Xavion is working on the head.
Heads.
Which is actually more confusing than it's.
That's crazy, right? Because the head looked like it would be pretty easy.
No, it's not. It's only this one mouthpiece.
So maybe it's not as kid-friendly as we thought.
This is
You know, I'm fine with helping you guys if you need some assistance.
Okay.
You got 2 legs on, or so are you working on the second leg?
Almost got the third leg now.
same part.
Davy, you helping, brother?
There you go. You got one sheet on.
How's that head coming along, Zay?
Very bad. The only thing that's together is the ear.
You got the antennas?
These extractions, they are not doing that. They are not doing good. Wait,
You're not understanding the instructions too well.
I got it. I actually got it this time.
Sit down.
Finally, the extraction is useful.
I missed.
I got it. I don't get it. How the heck am I doing it backwards?
That's too hard.
There you go. Good job.
Got another leg?
Wanna see it? Wanna see me?
Well, you guys over here making progress. That's the eyes. Yep. It's cool, you can pick which color eyes you want. That's cool. We got one side of the leg going. He's running. His legs move fast. Yeah.
No, got it.
So the head's together now, Zay?
Yeah, so I did it right. I just didn't think, because I thought I was going to break it, but no, I just needed to squish it more down. But I didn't want to break it.
Well, I'm glad we have the head part down. Now Zay's moving along. It comes with shoes. I think it's cool, bye-bye.
This was some kind of spine or something.
Exactly. What you got? I guess that's just a piece for pieces. Yeah. I guess that's what held the shoes, I think. And there's the stickers for the eye selection. I'm thinking like, I like the brown. Yeah, where's, we didn't see what those pieces go to on the other side. The blue
I only
things.
have like mostly one chance of this.
Yes, please be careful. We don't want the eyes looking crazy.
Do you want it 2 different eye colors?
Creepy.
That'll be weird. Just blue and gray. I could never. That would be weird. But yeah, I got it.
You got one eye on? Brown. I like that color. That's good.
I think for
You like it?
Yeah, it's the same color.
I should have
It's a bee.
There you go.
Buzzy Bee. Yep, it's a Build-A-Bot. Yep. Build-A-Bot.
You got the body on it. You can see it walk crazy.
I want to try
Goofy baby. Yay, yay. Your brothers are working hard, Davy. They're working hard. Yep, to make this little robot bug.
This is way more.
Yeah. Right, it looked like it'd be like super easy to put together.
I honestly didn't really want it to be easy. I wanted it to be a little bit challenging.
Exactly. That's what I was thinking too. Like a little challenge is nice. Oh, sorry. I'll whisper a little. Such a good big brother, Dobby. Okay, my bad. I'm sorry. Okay. Everyone, Paisley's taking a nap, so we have to whisper. Right, Dobby? Yellow, good job. That is yellow. Good job, baby. Is that supposed to go up there?
I'm pretty sure.
Well, you can put it anywhere.
Yeah, you can put it anywhere on this side.
Sure. I guess that's right.
Can you put the blushy one?
What? I agree. He's cute. He has some pizzazz to him. A little flashy bee.
No, I saw some else.
And we got the blushy one.
Ooh. Oh, we got all the legs on there?
Oh,
I thought you just told me to shush, Dobby. Paisley, sleep.
no. We gotta make sure these legs are secure.
Those look good. I didn't realize you put the rest on. You're so cool. I like this bee. I saw the other ones, but I'm thinking, we'll let the boys do this little robot creation. Maybe the head has to do something to keep it balanced, maybe? That's going fast.
Yeah, those are supposed to go on.
There's the face of the bee.
If you guys look up, those are eyelashes. Those are
There's
supposed to go on.
eyebrows
The eyebrows.
on our bee now. I didn't even know I had eyebrows.
That's why. Because that's not supposed to be there. What?
With the yellow things?
I messed up.
That's why it's like keeps going crazy.
I'm confused. I think I messed up. Yeah, I messed up. I put it the wrong way. Backwards.
Say wow, big bro. Wow.
It's not gonna take long.
What you got? Piece of the packaging?
The wing.
Ooh, that's amazing.
What do you guys think this should go? On the head or the body?
He
I
said,
put
where
it
should we
back. I
put
put
this?
everything on backwards, so yeah. I messed up.
You got
You guys should leave a comment where you think the best spot will be for this little Build-A-Bot sticker.
We don't really know. I feel like not the head.
No, not right there.
Yeah, the head probably has like too
Well, you
much
could have
stuff
left it
on
on the thing and then we'd wait. But you already took it off. You like it, bye-bye?
Maybe it was just for decoration.
Decoration. Are you trying to put it back on there?
Yep, and then we could just peel it straight off. So.
And that's the side that's not made.
I was about to say it.
Wow, buddy.
You guys would have laughed at me.
That's Zay. That's good old Zay for you.
Yeah.
So what part did you mess up with on the legs?
I made it backwards instead because on this side, I made it like this, just the other way around. So I messed up. I took the L.
You took the L. Now I better do the dance. Take the L. He's like, no, I'm caught up with whatever I have right now.
He's so focused.
He is.
He's focused. He doesn't even know he's doing.
What you got, Dobby? Dobby. What you got, buddy?
I got shoes.
You got the shoes.
Yeah. This is
Mikey.
Why are you talking about Mikey? Mikey not even on video.
You wearing Mikey. Let me see your shirt. Let me
What?
see your shirt. You got Mikey on your shirt? Let me see. Ninja Turtles, Mikey. Dobby loves his Ninja Turtles. Like an Angelo. You guys are hilarious. That's the last piece. What? There, you done with your section?
I thought.
You did.
You still have a lot of stickers.
Technically, you did, kinda. It's just we had to go back and redo it. Oh, those are more stickers.
Yeah, those are all of his stickers.
What is that?
those are a lot of stickers for him.
Where does it go?
Like the blue parts.
Oh, for the wings. See?
Oh,
the
yeah.
picture.
But like, what are the wings gonna
Nubby
be?
has.
Oh, so these are wings.
That's what I thought it was packaging.
There you go.
So those stickers gonna link. So that's something you can probably use, eh?
Yeah, I can just start.
Yeah, you can do that all day. Finishes up the body.
It's wings.
You have a wing, Dobby?
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't know that was a wing.
Wings.
You gotta be careful. The wings are so fragile. Yeah, that's a cool on the picture. But if it was clear on the picture, it'd be harder to see. Let me see.
It's wings. It's wings.
Okay, so we got the bug assembled. Let's see.
Ooh.
We're putting
Getting
on.
Oh, you got
Nothing
it.
is flat.
Wanna try?
Yeah.
The wings are still being put together with the stickers.
With the stickers. Ooh.
But the body is all assembled.
This.
That was a button.
There's a switch.
Yep, there's a switch. That's how it moves.
Let's see 'em.
It's scary.
Scary bug. Maybe that's an extra feature. How's those wings coming along, Day?
Wings.
You got the other wing?
It comes with batteries.
I want more
That's always nice. Oh, Dobby has the other wing still. Switch with Zay so he can add stickers to the other wing. Oh, that's cool. I'm like, it looks small. Calm down, bro.
When did it go
Oh, on this side. Well,
You see the instructions?
Yeah, that's where it's supposed to go. Yeah, I know. That's what these certain parts right here do. Even though I don't know how to
so how you home, just let me know. Moms don't mind helping.
6 stickers for both
I see. So it's like 3 and 3.
I see.
There you go.
You see it? Okay, so that's what I was looking at.
Yeah.
Wing section.
Oh, so they're not supposed to go like this.
On the back? What are you talking about, Brian? You see more over there?
You see this one? This one's straight.
It's okay.
Got one wing done.
Yeah, he's coming along.
Okay, so we finally got it finished. We got the strips, all the stickers and stuff. So you see how it works. This thing is actually pretty
It moves, yeah, it does move really fast.
Yeah, it's very fast. I like how it's a little robot.
I like how the wings flap too. That's pretty nice. Okay, so we figured out that you can put them together like a train.
Ah, I didn't know that. Huh.
And then the way you put them together is by pressing that button down. And then you put this part, because there's a little hole right there, you put that part on the front. And then
Yeah.
Yeah, but you have to have at least 2 of them.
So there's a hook right there in the front.
And the certificate. We don't know a name, so you guys say
Comment down below.
what the
Some
name should be.
suggestions. So we'll fill out everything else, but we'll wait on the name.
Yeah, well, wait, what on what you guys want to pick the sticker?
And then maybe we'll do it in a future video. Or
A little update on our Build-A-Bot.
Yeah.
W, you like it?
Yeah.
You like your Build-A-Bot?
we could just do like the first one, or
Well, like, if we add the other ones, then we can connect them, and then we'll probably have the name by then. There we go.
if we get more, then
Yeah, we could start from there.
And now we'll know an easier way to do it since we finally completed this one.
Yeah, but I probably stuck it in. The head was so hard, like.
The head just required to push it together harder. So that was probably still the easiest part of the Build-A-Bot.
But that'll be all for this video, you guys. This was pretty fun, successful,
Yeah, very hard to put together.
and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.